Hey guys, it's your girl Reine. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this beautiful teapot wig from Unice Hair. As usual, I'm gonna tell you guys everything you need to know about it. I'm going to install it for you guys, give you guys all the good stuff and the bad stuff if there's any. So if you're new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. So guys, without any more further ado, let's get into it. So guys, today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair, as you already know, and every time I get a wig from Unice Hair, they have some really nice gifts in there. And today they gifted a wig cap as usual, a headband to set your edges and your lace, some really nice 3D mink lashes which I always wear, I love them so much, and I also got some lovely hoop earrings, and I got a makeup brush, you guys, and last but not least, I also got a pocket mirror. Now onto the hair, guys. As you can all see, this color is so beautiful. I love the color so much. As you can all see on the screen, this is honey blonde. It's a 13x5 teapot wig, and the style of the curls is jerry curly, guys. As you can all tell, the curls are so beautiful, they're popping, and I love them so much. And of course, guys, this is also a lace front wig. So because this is a teapot wig, the middle part has been done for you, so you don't have to do any of that, thank God. And just like most wigs, this wig also has two combs on each side. It has a comb at the back, and it's also got some adjustable straps that you can use to adjust your wig to make it tighter or loose, you know. And I also put the wig on my head straight out of the box, and guys, it fitted on really well. So if you don't want to glue it on, you really don't have to. So as you guys can see, I decided to take my tweezers and pluck the hairline just a little bit more. I just felt like it looked a bit too wiggy, and I just wanted it to look a bit more natural. Because it's a teapot wig, you can't really do that much to it, so I'm just doing what I can do to make it look really natural. And as you guys can see, I'm just brushing the curls out. I just wanted to see what the curls looked like when they were brushed out. And as you guys can see, the wig got so much more thicker, and I'm also gonna add some water to just define the curls a little bit more. If you want to, you can co-wash it. Co-washing it is basically just using conditioner to wash your wig, and that's gonna make your curls pop so much more. But y'all, ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just doing what I can to make this wig look really nice. So now it's time to put the wig on, you guys, and as you guys can tell, I braided my hair so it's flat under the wig, and now I'm just slicking my edges back using my gel, and I'm also going to use my Got To Be Free spray, which is indeed a free spray. You guys, it's so cold, like what? So now guys, I'm putting the wig cap on, and I'm going to create a bald cap. So I'm putting the wig cap right down on my face, y'all. I mean, this is optional, but it makes such a difference. And I'm just creating some holes around my ears so that the wig cap fits on really well around my head. So guys, using my wig glue that I got on Amazon, link will be in the description box. I am just outlining my hairline. I'm making sure that I stay away from my edges so that the glue doesn't stick on it and it doesn't pull my edges. After applying the glue, I'm gonna use something that has a flat surface, and I'm gonna spread the glue evenly, as you guys can see me doing right now. And I'm also gonna use some of my Got To Be Free spray just to ensure that the wig cap is stuck on around my edges and all that stuff. It's really hard to explain, you guys, but I hope by watching it makes a bit more sense. And yeah, it's a bit messy, so don't wear makeup and do this. I would definitely recommend that you wear makeup after you do this, because it gets really messy. So as you guys can see, the glue is all dried up. So now using a sharp pair of scissors, I am gonna cut off the excess wig cap that I don't need. And once all that is off, I'm gonna take my time and carefully cut the wig cap around my hairline so that it looks more natural. And the goal here is to look bald, so you want to make sure that it looks like you're actually bald. So guys, using my Got To Be Free spray, I'm just ensuring that the front of my wig cap is stuck on properly and is flat. And once that's dried, I'm gonna use my foundation to tint the wig cap so that it looks more natural.
So cozy.
So once that's all done, I'm just wiping off the makeup and the glue that is on my face, and that's the wig cap done, you guys. That was super quick and easy to do, and I hope it helped you guys. So now it's time to go ahead and put the wig on, and I'm gonna stick this on, you guys. So guys, like I mentioned earlier, you can go glueless with this wig if you want to. Just to lift it up was even a bit difficult because it fits on really well, so you don't have to glue this on, but I decided to glue it on because I wanted it to last about a week or so. So I glued it on using the same glue and the same method that I used to make the wig cap. So guys, all I needed was one layer of glue. If you want to, you can add another layer, but one layer of glue was enough for me. And now I went ahead and put the wig in place, and I'm also making sure that I use the combs on each side just to make sure the wig is secure. So guys, now I'm just dividing my lace in 3 before I go ahead and cut it off. This is good because it doesn't give me a straight line when I cut my lace off. It looks a bit more natural. Just before I go ahead and cut the lace off, I'm gonna make sure that my hair is flat by using some of my gel to flatten that up, and I'm gonna use my hot comb just to quickly go over my hairline.
So cozy.
guys, once the lace is cut off, it's time to use some glue to stick the front of my wig. Because the lace was there, I couldn't really lift it to stick the wig on. So now that I cut the lace off, it's a lot easier to stick the front of the wig. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna dry it up and set it using the headband that Unice Hair gifted me. So guys, as you can all see, the wig is all glued on and I'm very happy with how it's looking. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it by defining the curls a little bit more. And I'm also gonna go ahead and create some baby hair. This is optional, you don't have to, but I think baby hairs will just look really good on this wig. Nothing too crazy, just something very natural. So I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but it was so simple to stick this wig on. It's a simple teapot wig, very beginner friendly. So if you're someone who's not very confident in sticking your wigs on, especially a lace front wig, then you really don't have to worry. This is the perfect wig for beginners. So guys, as you can all see, I went ahead and did a plait on the wig just so that when I do my makeup, it's gonna be out of my way. It's not gonna annoy me and all that good stuff. But this is actually a good way to go to sleep as well. This is how I usually go to sleep in my wigs. So if you guys didn't know, now you know. So now guys, my makeup is all done, as you guys can see. If you guys like the makeup look, I will have a video on that coming very soon, so please subscribe and hit the bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified straight away. So as you can all tell, the wig is still slightly wet, and I really do like the wet look on this wig. I think it's beautiful, and when the wig dries, it's gonna double in size, which I really appreciate as well. The link to everything that I used in today's video, including the link of the wig, will all be in the description box, you guys, so make sure you check that description box out. And I just want to say thank you for watching to the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below. You can send us super thanks if you feel generous, and as usual, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.